This Casey sound on alternating, but the thing on Casey sound is on continuous and Marushni's on alternating. Put the key in there, I will do. It works really well, doesn't it? It's really well. Filming fire alarms only. I'm going to do this one. I like to do. I'm taking it nice and easy. Yes. Yeah, it works really fine. I'm now going to test it by the test key. Yes. It will work. I'm taking it nice and easy. Yeah. Like that. If I do like that, it does that. That's the trick. If I push it, no. So I will reset it. How I can do that, but better. Yeah, like that. It's better, isn't it? If I spray, and also not this one. No, I'm not break. I won't break the glass on this one. This is glass actually. The actual keys for this Alibaba. I'll do. Have to think. I'll test it from the switch when I operate the smooth. I'll take it easy now. Yeah, it covers down. Yeah. And no, I'll spray that detector with some deodorant. I'll put it thing on here. I'm just going to do it very, very quickly before I do something. Very quickly. Yes, it will go. It's going to go off. Yes, it will. That's a sweet. I like the sound, don't I? I do. I like it. Make sure I blow out the smoke detector. Blow it out. Sorry about that. I'm gonna blow it. Start again. I blow. I will. And then I'll have to switch on the thing back again. Thanks for watching. Bye.